I guess the official did not see it because here's the double team now.
Whoa!
Chance and Carter, great move here. And well, the referee did see it because she's waving off the, oh my goodness, Caden Carter. Whipped into our announce table. So Piper Niven is legal. The official did see it. She waved off the cover inside the ring moments ago. And here comes the powerhouse, the bulldozing Piper Niven.
Good night.
Cross body, and just like that, the tag champs with the win.
Here are your winners, the WWE Women's Tag Team Champions, Chelsea Green and Piper Niven.
That's right, you should be scared of me.
Did you really think I would come here, of all places, alone?